Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast, lightweight, and secure way to browse the internet privately, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a WireGuard server and use it on the WireGuard VPN app on your Android device. WireGuard is known for its speed, efficiency, and strong encryption protocols, making it a top choice for tech-savvy users and privacy seekers alike. Let's get started. Step 1. Open any browser on your mobile or PC. In the search bar, type SSH UDP and press Enter. From the list of search results, select the official SSH UDP website to continue. Step 2. Once the homepage loads, tap on the hamburger menu icon at the top to expand the list of available menus. Step 3. From the expanded list, tap on the Services menu. A submenu will appear. Scroll down and select WireGuard Server to move forward. Step 4. On the WireGuard Server page, you'll see a form labeled Create Account. Tap on Create Account to proceed and generate your WireGuard server. Step 5. Once your server is created, you'll be given an option to download the configuration file or copy it to your clipboard. Choose either option depending on your preference. After that, return to your device's home screen. Step 6. Open the Google Play Store and search for WireGuard VPN. Download and install the official WireGuard VPN client. If you can't find it in the Play Store, you can also download it from the SSH UDP website under the WireGuard section. Step 7. After installation, launch the WireGuard app. On the main screen, tap on the ++ icon at the bottom right corner. A menu will appear. Choose Import from File if you downloaded the config, or Import from Clipboard if you copied it earlier. Step 8. Once your server is imported, you'll see its profile listed in the app. If you want to edit the configuration, tap and hold the server profile, then tap the gear icon on the top right. After that, select Edit Tunnel to start modifying the server settings. Step 9. In the endpoint settings, enter a valid SNI before the WireGuard server address. Once done, click Save to update the configuration. Step 10. Now that everything is set up, tap the radio button next to your server profile to start the VPN connection. That's it. You've successfully created and connected a WireGuard server on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps us bring more tech tutorials your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.